Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making safety and legality non-negotiable. This is simulation only, and you verify clearance. Next, set up your VR headset and motion trackers, update firmware, and pair controllers. Once done, install and license a certified simulator that includes GPS-style waypoint tools and Vtol flight presets. Make sure your PC or console meets recommended specs, and that latency is under 20 ms. Low lag preserves realistic handling and prevents motion sickness, so don't skip calibration. You now build the mission. Load a Vtol scenario and place GPS-style waypoints to define a safe flight corridor. Then map your controls clearly: throttle, attitude adjustments, camera slew, and a prominent emergency stop, and label them in the HUD so you can react without pausing. Once configured, enable telemetry logging and visual aids like distance, altitude, and heading overlays. This helps you understand behavior in real time and after action, which is why you should record every run for later analysis. You execute a full simulated sortie using reduced risk parameters first. Fly the route, monitor telemetry, and practice safe aborts. After landing, review recorded data and video to identify handling quirks or sensor lag, then tweak control sensitivity, waypoint spacing, or visual aids and run another iteration. If tracking or GPS emulation drops out, stop, restart sensors and the simulator. Check OS permissions and USB connections, and update drivers. That single troubleshooting step resolves most predictable issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.